Stocks took a hit again today. The market's already in a rough stretch. So I'm curious, what are you seeing from investors and business leaders? What are they signaling?
Well, Alex, they're saying that customers are pulling back on their spending. Sales are much slower, and we're seeing all of this uncertainty with tariffs and the trade war play out in the stock market. Just a reminder, a tariff is a tax, and the CEOs of huge companies, think Walmart, Delta Airlines, they're saying that people are thinking like, you know what? I don't need to go on that trip, or I don't need to buy that jacket. Overall, people are worried about being able to pay their bills. They're worried about losing their jobs. And so when people don't know what's going to happen next, they decide to pump the brakes on spending. Alex.
Well, so amid all that uncertainty, Selena, President Trump is standing firm on his tariff threats. Now, alcohol imports and exports are really becoming a flashpoint here with despite some of these trade disputes, right?
Yeah, and I mean, the markets are not liking this further escalation from the president. And what he's doing today with those massive tariffs on alcohol from the European Union, he's essentially retaliating to the retaliation. So just to walk our viewers to how we got to this point, on Wednesday, President Trump imposed 25% tariffs on all steel and aluminum imports. In response, the European Union imposed counter tariffs on $28 billion of U.S. goods, including 50% tariffs on imports of American whiskey, motorcycles. So we're talking about Harley-Davidson motorcycles and Kentucky bourbon. So Trump is responding to that threat from the European Union, those tariffs set to go in on American products on April 1st, with this threat to impose massive 200% tariffs on all alcohol imports from Europe. Now, Trump says that this is going to be good for the winemaking, spirit-making industry in the U.S., but industry trade groups say that this is going to harm their businesses, and the best way to get their industry to flourish is zero tariffs, and it is going to hit consumers as well. We are the largest importer of wine and other spirits from Europe.